Hello there, I am Tuzariun. This is my channel. Motivate and support me by subscribing my channel. I'll continue grade 8 lesson. The next lesson is about spreadsheet. When you say spreadsheet, it is an application, the other type of application software used to organize and calculate data in cells. Each of software have their own tasks. In case of word processing, it helps us to prepare document. In case of spreadsheet, it helps us to create and organize data, and it's possible to calculate. It have a row and column, and intersection of rows and column forms a cell and helps us to feed or enter data to this software. Then start menu EX, type EX. Microsoft Excel is displayed here. The first method. The other method is using window key plus run command. At the same time, EXCEL. Type EXCEL, then OK. OK. Now Microsoft Excel is open. There are columns. They are represented by letters. And there are rows represented by numbers. And form a cell. The cell helps us to feed any data, and it's possible to calculate. Under title bar it says Microsoft Excel Book 1. The name of the file is Book. The file created Microsoft Excel is Book or Workbook or Worksheet. We have a single sheet. It's possible to add additional here by clicking the plus sign. Here is the FX formula bar. We say it formula bar displays the cells, and the selected cell is active cell. For instance, here is A1. The name box is here A1. The vertical A, the horizontal one. Here is the selected is B2, which is the vertical section B and the horizontal section 2. What it says the text here. Let me follow the textbook. Here is the file tab. On the left side, quick access toolbar. The title bar consists of the name of a program with file name. There are ribbons under each menus, list of commands. The file tab, the row bar, it represents horizontal section, row, the numbers. The column bar, they are represented by letters. The worksheet area, the status bar at the bottom, the view button here, and the zoom slider is found. Here, how can we calculate? For instance, type mango quantity price, it says. How can we perform such tasks? Using formula. Let me demonstrate you. If we have quantity with price, let me type here. Type quantity price total. If we have mango here, banana, orange, apple, using quantity, for instance, 12, here for price, banana, 10, orange, apple. How can we get the total? We have to multiply is equal to, always to calculate a formula, we have to type equal sign. This number, we have to select 12, then times, to get the total, we have to shift with number 8. Then selecting the number, press enter key. You'll get the result. Then on the right side you will have a fill handle. When we put the mouse pointer around here, it changes the sign and drag and drop. The fill handle automatically fills. It's possible to calculate easily. Just if you have two numbers, for instance 34 with 30 20, then what about the result? You can find the result of the two number, the difference of the two number, the product of the two number, and the quotient. How can we? The result means the addition is equal to always, then what it gives equal to means it represents what it gives plus shift, then selecting the second number. What about the difference is equal to what it gives this number minus this number, enter, finished. The product is equal to this number times what about this number. The quotient is get by dividing this number, the first number, by the second number. What it is. If you have this num1, if it is num2, we can find the result, the difference, the product, and the quotient easily like this. To be perfect in performing calculation, just try to exercise more. For today is enough. Thank you.